everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be reading Seek and Find Seasons. Here's Koala. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be reading Seek and Find Seasons. I love all 4 seasons, but let's start reading. Seek and Find Seasons. Ooh, springtime. Can you find these? Let's start finding the birdhouse. Birdhouse, birdhouse, birdhouse. Right there. Can you find the nest? The nest with eggs in it is right there. Can you find the pretty flowers? Flowers are right there. Good job. Can you find the ladybug? It's right there, flying beside a raindrop. Can you find a bicycle? There. Can you find a wheelbarrow? It's right there. Good job. Can you find a butterfly? Let's see. Right there. Can you see the treehouse? Find it. It's there. Can you find a blanket? Right there. Can you find the rain boots? There's nobody wearing it, except it looks like a bird is going to wear it. Right there. Can you find these? Summertime. Can you find a raft? Right there in the water. Can you find a lifeguard? He's right there. Can you find the sunscreen? Right there beside the lifeguard. Can you find the yellow hat? Right there. Can you find the beach towel? It's right there. Look, the little girl is sitting on it. Can you find the butterfly? Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. There. Can you find the sunglasses? It's right there. Can you find the sun? That's easy. It's in the sky, beside the cloud, not too close. Can you find the goggles? It's right there. And the last thing on our list we're going to find is the flip-flops. Find it. It's right there. In the fall. Can you find the rake? Right there. Can you find the pumpkin? It's right there. Can you find the hay bales? It's right there. Can you find the scarecrow? It's right there, beside the squirrel. Can you find the squirrel? Wait, we already saw the squirrel. He's grabbing acorns. How sweet. Can you find the sunflowers? Right there in the garden. Can you find the shovel? It's right there. Can you find the crow? It's right there, flying above the apple basket. Wait, apple basket? We saw it. There. And what about the scarf? Don't forget me. I'm here. Winter time. So snowy. Can you find the igloo? Igloos are made out of ice. I must see an ice cube. There. Can you find the snowman? He is right there. Hello, Mr. Snowman. Can you find the gloves? Right there. On the back of the deer. Can you find the sled? It's right there. Can you find the hat? Right there. Can you find the ice skates? It's right there beside the bench with the bag on it. Can you find the bench? Wait, we already saw the bench with the orange bag on it. Right there, beside the ice skates. Can you find the owl? Twit-to-woo, twit-to-woo. I can hear a sound. It's coming from there. Can you find the snowballs? It's right there on the top of the gloves. Can you find the pine cone? It's right there beside the pine tree. Seek and find. Kids will love saying, I found it! With these adorable seek and find books that feature sweet illustrations of whimsical sentences. While they're having fun, they'll be sharpening concentration and matching skills too. Collect them all!